There are times when you're so weak you can't go on, but you're not alone. I've been there. There are times when every shred of hope is gone. You're not alone. I've been there. But try to get up off the ground, 'cause it's gonna turn around. I know you can't be found, and the sky is falling down. But when the sun comes out, it's gonna get better. So even when the lights burn out, there's a lining in the clouds, and it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. So even when the lights burn out, there's a lining in the clouds, and it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. I can promise you the pain won't last forever, because I know I've been there. And I can promise you no matter what you'll treasure, because I know I've been there. It's time to get up off the ground, 'cause it's gonna turn around. I know you can't be found, and the sky is falling down. But when the sun comes out, it's gonna get better. So even when the lights burn out, there's a lining in the clouds, and it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. So call me when you're feeling down, 'cause I'll always be around. And when the sun comes out, it's gonna get better. Even when the lights burn out, there's a lining in the clouds, and it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. Gonna get better. It's gonna get better. Gonna get better.
I was out there alone, moving from station to station. I've been searching for the right one, but I was ready for something more. My perfect love, you were out there going solo. You've been running with the wild ones, and you were ready for something more. Something more. Something more. Something more.
got me, I'm late. I don't wanna stay. I'll get out of your way. I guess it's okay, cause we both know it's my fault anyway. Late. I don't wanna stay. I'll get out of your way. It's not okay, I don't think I can take another day. It's not okay, I don't think I can take another day. It's not okay, I don't think I can take another day. And I knew this was the end when I saw you from the way. And I trusted hand in hand, but now that my skies are gray, you got me, I'm late. I don't wanna stay. I'll get out of your way. I guess it's okay, cause we both know it's my fault anyway. Late. I don't wanna stay. I'll get out of your way. It's not okay, I don't think I can take another day. I don't wanna stay. I'll get out of your way. I guess it's okay, cause we both know it's my fault anyway. Late. I don't wanna stay. I'll get out of your way. It's not okay, I don't think I can take another day. I've been going way too fast, cause you're telling me to slow down. I can feel it in my chest, cause you're all I need to know now. Keep breathing, keep breathing, keep breathing. Yeah, because you know that I'm sorry, I said. Yeah, you know I need you, don't want no regret. I can't live my life looking back in past tense. Oh, you know that I need you. You can have my life, I'll lay it down again. I just need to hear your voice, I need the sound again. Won't wait around for better times to come around again, pretending that I'm fine. Yeah, because you know that I'm sorry, I said. Yeah, you know I need you, don't want no regret. I can't live my life looking back in past tense. But you know that I need you. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be